Welcome to InvestorWeb, your ultimate guide to investing in your well-being. This channel is dedicated to helping you invest in the most valuable asset you possess, you. Our focus covers a broad spectrum, from physical to emotional and mental health. We believe that a well-rounded investment in these areas of your life can yield the most satisfying returns, happiness, peace, and overall well-being. Today we turn our focus to a powerful tool in the journey of self-investment: meditation. A practice that has stood the test of time. Meditation is no longer just a spiritual routine, but a scientifically backed method to improve mental health. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, we are here to guide you through simple techniques that can help you kickstart or enhance your meditation journey. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of meditation and its simple techniques for beginners. Before starting with the techniques, understand what meditation is. Meditation in its simplest form is the practice of turning your attention inward and focusing your mind. It's a discipline that trains the mind and body to observe and engage with one's thoughts and feelings without judgment. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, originally intended to deepen understanding of the sacred and mystical forces of life. Today, however, it's often used for relaxation and stress reduction. The goal is not to block out negative thoughts or emotions, but rather to observe them without judgment and ultimately to better understand them. The benefits of meditation are vast. It can help reduce stress by triggering the body's relaxation response. This, in turn, decreases the production of stress hormones, such as cortisol, and promotes a state of calm and well-being. Furthermore, meditation can improve concentration. Regular practice can help sharpen focus and improve mental clarity, thereby enhancing cognitive abilities. Not to be overlooked is the benefit of increased self-awareness. Meditation encourages introspection, allowing you to better understand your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It provides a space for self-exploration, which can lead to personal growth and transformation. Meditation is not about becoming a different person, a new person, or even a better person. It's about training in awareness and getting a healthy sense of perspective. It's not about trying to turn off your thoughts or feelings, but learning to observe them without judgment. And eventually you may start to better understand them as well. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. What matters most is that you make time for it and approach it with an open mind and a patient heart. Now that the concept of meditation is clear, it's time to explore some simple techniques. The first technique is mindfulness meditation. This ancient practice is all about focusing on the present moment and accepting it without judgment. It's about opening your senses to the world around you and noticing the subtle details that often go unnoticed. Start by finding a comfortable, quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position and close your eyes. Take a moment to settle into your body, feeling the weight of your form against the chair or the floor. Begin to focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your lungs. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to your breath. Expand your awareness to the sounds around you, the distant hum of traffic, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves in the wind. Acknowledge these sounds without judgment. Next, bring your attention to your body. Experience the sensation of your clothes against your skin, the firmness of the ground beneath you, the temperature of the air around you. Remember, the goal is not to clear your mind, but to acknowledge and accept your thoughts as they come and go, always returning your focus to the present moment. Mindfulness. Meditation is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you stay centered in the present moment. The next technique is mantra meditation. This method has been practiced for centuries, often associated with traditional Eastern cultures, but its simplicity and effectiveness make it accessible to everyone, everywhere. So, what is mantra meditation? It involves the repetition of a word or phrase to assist in quieting the mind and deepening your meditative state. The word mantra itself translates to vehicle for the mind, and that's exactly what it does. It transports you away from the hustle and bustle of everyday thoughts and worries into a tranquil state of mind. In mantra meditation, you choose a calming word or phrase, something that resonates with you on a personal level. It could be as simple as peace, love, or I am calm. This mantra is then silently repeated in your mind throughout your meditation. The repetition of the mantra helps to prevent distracting thoughts from entering your mind. It's like a soothing lullaby for your thoughts, gently quieting the noise and allowing you to find your inner peace. It's important to remember there's no right or wrong mantra. The key is to choose something that feels right for you. You're not just repeating words, you're channeling their meaning, their essence into your meditation. Mantra meditation is not just about achieving a state of relaxation. It's also a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. By focusing your mind on positive, affirming words, you can bring about profound changes in your mindset and in your life. Mantra meditation can be a great way to focus your mind and bring about positive changes in your life. The final technique is loving-kindness meditation. This method captivates the essence of benevolence, goodwill, and warmth for others, transforming the practitioner's mindset from a place of self-centeredness to a realm of universal love and compassion. Loving-kindness meditation, or metta bhavana in Pali language, is a practice deeply rooted in Buddhist traditions. It's a journey that begins within oneself and expands outwards, ultimately embracing all living beings. This technique is not merely about feeling love, but also about cultivating it actively. It's an exercise in opening our hearts, acknowledging our interconnectedness, and nourishing the seeds of compassion within us. This meditation begins with focusing on oneself. Picture yourself in your mind's eye, visualize your own image, and start sending thoughts of well-being, happiness, and peace towards yourself. You might want to use phrases like, "May I be happy, may I be well, may I be safe, may I be peaceful and at ease." Once you've established this feeling of loving kindness towards yourself, the next step is to extend these sentiments to others. Start with someone you care deeply about. It could be a family member, a dear friend, or even a beloved pet. Hold their image in your mind and repeat the same phrases of well-being and happiness for them. Gradually extend this circle of loving kindness to neutral individuals, difficult people, and ultimately to all sentient beings. This process might seem challenging, especially when directing loving kindness towards those with whom you have conflicts. But remember, the purpose is not to ignore or negate the difficult feelings, but to soften our hearts and cultivate a sense of compassion and understanding. Practicing loving kindness meditation regularly can profoundly impact our emotional well-being. It can help reduce negative emotions, enhance positive ones, and promote a general sense of happiness and satisfaction. Moreover, it has the power to transform our relationships, making them more harmonious and fulfilling. It encourages us to look at the world with a lens of compassion, fostering understanding and empathy towards others' experiences and struggles. Loving kindness meditation not only calms your mind, but also fills your heart with compassion and love. It's a gentle reminder that in this vast universe we are all interconnected, weaving the fabric of existence with threads of love and kindness. You've just learned 3 simple meditation techniques. Indeed, we've traversed a path of tranquility together, exploring the serene world of meditation and its myriad of benefits. Our journey began with understanding meditation, that it's not just a practice but a lifestyle, a method to foster mental clarity and emotional calmness. We discussed how meditation can be a refuge from the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, a sanctuary where we can cultivate peace and balance. It's a tool for enhancing our concentration, reducing stress, and promoting overall well-being. From there, we delved into the realm of mindfulness meditation, a technique that invites us to be wholly present in the moment. It's about observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment, simply being with what is. This practice allows us to develop a healthier relationship with our thoughts and emotions and to live more fully in the present. Next, we chanted our way into mantra meditation. This technique uses a repetitive sound, phrase, or prayer to clear the mind and create a sense of calm. The mantra acts as a vehicle, carrying us beyond our thoughts and into the silence that exists beneath them. Lastly, we journeyed into the heart with loving kindness meditation. This practice encourages us to cultivate love and compassion for ourselves and others. It's a journey of the heart, a path to opening ourselves to the richness of our shared human experience. All these techniques, though different in practice, have a common goal: to help us find inner peace and balance. They offer a path to self-discovery and self-improvement, a way to navigate the complexities of life with grace and serenity. Remember, the key to successful meditation is consistency. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe to Investor Web for more guides on investing in your well-being.